Forgotten username recovery failed on Bitstamp App Fix. If you've tried to recover your Bitstamp username and failed, most people get this wrong by skipping verification or using outdated contact information. The surprising truth is that with the right approach, you can regain access quickly and safely. Step 1. Open the Bitstamp app or website and click Forgot Username. Enter the email associated with your Bitstamp account. Bitstamp will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails can easily be missed if filtered automatically. Avoid sending multiple recovery requests too quickly, as this may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your register email is no longer active, prepare verification information such as your full name, date of birth, and recent transaction details. Contact Bitstamp support directly with these details. Including a linked bank account or card information can speed up verification and recovery. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager or a safe note. Activating two-factor authentication adds extra security, preventing future lock-in issues and keeping your funds safe. By carefully following these steps, you can regain access to your Bitstamp account efficiently. Proper verification and secure credential management are crucial to protecting your cryptocurrency investments.